In this tutorial, we will look at how we can create voting activities. Firstly, from your dashboard, you need to click on the Create Voting Activity icon, which can be found in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Then, you will need to give your activity a name and a description. Here we have the Voting Activity Editor. This is the area of the Contribute Cloud software where we can create voting activities. First, we need to write our question. This is a graphical editor so you can change the size of the font and format it. Next, you then need to write the multiple choice options for the question. They will appear underneath the editor. Once you have written all the options, you then need to select the correct answer from the drop-down menu. When it is selected, it will turn green. Hit the Save Activity question, and you will then be able to add your next question. You are also able to add images to the voting canvas by clicking on the Add Image button. You can see here some examples of questions that we have created using images. When you have added all the questions for your activity, click the Back button to be taken to the voting folder. Open the folder and then select the voting activity you want to start. Press the Start Activity Session button to start the session. Thanks for watching. See you on the next tutorial.